Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox on Scratch. First, understand that you cannot directly create a Roblox game asterisk with an asterisk Scratch. Instead, we'll focus on recreating the asterisk feel asterisk and asterisk mechanics asterisk of Roblox-style games using Scratch's powerful visual programming. This involves simulating elements like character movement, block-based building, and interactive environments, all within the Scratch platform. We'll explore how to bring these concepts to life step by step, making your project engaging and fun. To recreate Roblox mechanics, begin by programming character movement. Use arrow keys for walking, perhaps at a speed of 5 steps per second, and the spacebar for jumping, giving a vertical boost of 10 units. Next, implement simple building blocks. These can be sprites that appear when clicked, allowing players to construct basic structures. Finally, consider adding a score system or a simple chat function to foster player interaction, making your game feel more dynamic and engaging for everyone involved. Designing your Roblox-like world in Scratch involves careful visual planning. Create distinct sprites for your character, perhaps using a blocky, pixelated style, and for various interactive objects like platforms or power-ups. Develop backgrounds that evoke a sense of a vast, open world using multiple layers for depth. You might use 3 or 4 different background sprites to achieve this. Remember, consistent art style across all your assets will significantly enhance the game's overall aesthetic and player immersion. To elevate your Scratch game, consider adding advanced features. Introduce obstacles that challenge players or power-ups that grant temporary abilities, like increased speed for 5 seconds. You could even design small minigames within your main project, offering diverse gameplay. Once your creation is ready, share it with the vibrant Scratch community. Gather feedback from other creators and players, using their insights to refine and improve your game, fostering a continuous cycle of creativity and enhancement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.